Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin caption chart. So let's start. First of all, I am in the on day chart. In on day chart, you can see this graph is going to down. If I see the on hour chart, you can see this graph sometimes ago this graph going to up. After that, now he can going to down. If I go to 2 hour chart, you can see same. Sometimes ago it's going to up, now it's going to down. If I go to 3 hour chart, you can see same going. Sometimes ago it's going to up, now it's going to down. If I go to the 4 hour chart, you can see this graph going to down. Now I can see the last update of the graph. For this I go to the 1 minute chart. In 1 minute chart, you can see this graph going to down. If I go to 5 minute chart, you can see this graph also going to down. If I go to 50-minute chart, you can see also this graph also going to down. If I go to 45-minute chart, see this graph also going to down. So now I can calculate how the market going last on day. Last one day it is so difficult how the market going, but I think this market going to up last one day. Why I say the market going to up? It has some cause. So for this I create a scale. You can see the pips what is going on. Look, first of all this market going to up and then in one by one it's going to down. How was that? Look, this market going to this place down, after that he going to some up place, then it's going again down, after that this market going to up, and then this market going to this place. So I think my last calculation is market going to up, after that he going to this place. So I think market going to up. If you know the good prediction, so comment below and share your idea. I hope it will be helpful for me and my video. So now I can discuss the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 28,001.70 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is 1 BTC is equal to 28,001.70 USD. I think everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.